The Wichita Eisenhower National Climate Summary for yesterday, November 10, 2022. Yesterday's high temperature was 69 degrees. This high was 9 degrees above the normal high of 60. The record high is 77 degrees, which was last set in 2014. Yesterday's low temperature was 40 degrees. This low was 3 degrees above the normal low of 37. The record low is 15 degrees, which was set in 1950. A trace of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 2.38 inches. This is 1.84 inches above the normal amount of 0.54 inches for November. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 29.03 inches, which is 3.24 inches below normal. No snow fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to a trace. This is 0.1 inches below the normal amount of 0.1 inches for November. The total snowfall since July 1st still stands at a trace, which is 0.3 inches below normal. The normal high temperature for today is 59 degrees, and the normal low is 36. The record high for today is 80, which last occurred in 1956, and the record low is 10, which occurred in 1911. Sunrise today is at 7:05 a.m. and sunset is at 5:22 p.m. On this date in weather history, in 1911, what would become known as the Great Blue Norther invaded the Great Plains with what many consider the most dangerous Arctic outbreak on record. Prior to the Arctic front's arrival, temperatures were in the 70s with a few areas even in the lower 80s. Immediately after frontal passage, temperatures plunged 35 to 45 degrees in 1 hour, and 70 to 80 degrees within 12 hours on the strength of northerly winds that howled between 60 and 80 miles per hour. Areas that were raked by severe thunderstorms and tornadoes were hit by blizzards in 12 to 18 hours. Several areas experienced record high and record low temperatures on the same date. Here is your National Weather Service forecast. Rest of today: sunny this morning, then becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. Breezy. Much cooler with highs in the upper 30s. North winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Tonight clearing. Cold with lows around 18. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday sunny with highs in the lower 40s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday night mostly clear. Cold with lows in the lower 20s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday sunny with highs in the upper 40s. Southeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Sunday night partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Cold with lows in the upper 20s. Monday a chance of snow in the morning. Mostly cloudy with a chance of rain. Highs in the lower 40s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Monday night mostly cloudy with a chance of rain and snow in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Cold with lows in the mid-20s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Tuesday through Wednesday night partly cloudy with highs in the lower 40s. Lows in the lower 20s. Thursday sunny with highs in the mid-40s. Once again the forecast for rest of today: sunny this morning, then becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. Breezy. Much cooler with highs in the upper 30s. North winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, with gusts up to 35 miles an hour.